Radhika stood on the deck of the Ocean Explorer, feeling excited as the ship sailed away from the harbor. She waved goodbye to her family until there were just specks on the shore. It was Radhika's first time on a ship, and she couldn't wait for the adventures ahead. The next morning, everyone gathered in the dining hall for breakfast when the captain's voice boomed over the speaker, warning of an approaching storm. People got scared, but Radhika felt a thrill of excitement about facing the storm. Still, she could see the worry on the faces of the other passengers. As the ship sailed into rough seas, the wind howled and the waves grew bigger. Radhika felt excited, but some people started feeling sick and scared. Then, something unexpected happened. During the storm, Radhika saw Mr. Roberts, a kind man she had met earlier, get washed overboard by a big wave. She shouted for help and told the captain right away. Eventually, the rescue team brought Mr. Roberts and the sailors back safely. Everyone on the ship was thankful and cheered for the brave rescuers. After the rescue, Radhika went to the captain's room with a mix of feelings. Captain Davis gave her a special gift, a beautiful model of the Ocean Explorer. Radhika felt thankful and hugged the captain tight, feeling like they were all friends. With her special gift, Radhika told everyone on the ship about their scary adventure, and they all said nice things to her. Even though the sea was rough and they got scared, Radhika learned that people can be really strong when they work together. While the Ocean Explorer continued its journey, Radhika went back on the deck. She looked at the vast ocean and felt grateful for everything that happened on the journey. Let's start the quiz now. One. Which word in the story means a person who operates a ship or boat? A. Navigator. B. Captain. C. Sailor. D. Passenger. Two. What does the phrase warning of an approaching storm indicate? A. The storm has already arrived. B. The storm is leaving. C. The storm is coming soon. D. The storm is over. 3. Choose the correct form of the verb to complete the sentence. People scared, but Radhika felt excited. A. Was. B. Were. C. Are. D. Is. 4. Which word in the story means to feel ill as a result of motion? A. Excited. B. Sick. C. Brave. D. Thankful. 5. Identify the adverb in the following sentence. The wind howled loudly as the ship sailed into rough seas. A. Loudly. B. Howled. C. Rough. D. Sailed. 6. What does the word rescue mean in the context of the story? A. To abandon. B. To save from danger. C. To cause harm. D. To ignore. Seven. Choose the correct form of the verb to complete the sentence. Radhika dashed the captain right away. A. Tell. B. Telling. C. Told. D. Tells. Eight. Which word in the story means a small replica or representation of something? A. Model. B. Journey. C. Adventure. D. Deck. Nine. Identify the part of speech for the word thankful in the following sentence. Radhika felt thankful and hugged the captain tight. A. Noun. B. Verb. C. Adjective. D. Adverb. 10. What does the phrase work together mean in the story? A. To compete. B. To collaborate. C. To argue. D. To separate. Answers. 1. B. Captain. 2. C. The storm is coming soon. 3. B. Were. 4. B. Sick. 5. A. Loudly. 6. B. To save from danger. 7. C. Told. 8. A. Model. 9. C. Adjective. 10. B. To collaborate.